Hey yo, this is your captain speaking, and welcome back to the Dragan channel. Don't you just hate it when you're cruising along and then you suddenly hear a crack? I'm going to give you 3 tips to avoid tripping up. When you're riding along, you always want to be looking a little bit ahead just to check if there's any upcoming obstacles. Even though the Dragan Cruiser comes with these big soft wheels that's going to get you over most obstacles, every so often you'll have a crack, a stone, a stick that will get in your way and trip you up. There are 3 ways that you can avoid doing this, and let's start with number 1. So the first way to avoid an obstacle like that is just to simply swerve out the way. Once you've got a little bit of control in your board, this should come quite naturally. The main reason you're going to trip up on a crack is that you've got too much of your weight on your front foot. If you have that, your wheel is going to dig in and you'll go flying. So all you have to do is, you see a crack coming up, shift your weight to your back foot, keep your front foot nice and light, and it will roll over that crack. Now the third and most advanced way to get over a crack is to jump. Now if you want to learn how to jump, there's another tutorial that I did you can check up here. And that's it, that's how to get over cracks. Number 1, avoid it. If you can't avoid it, number 2, shift your weight to your back foot. And number 3, jump. So that's it. If you want more tips and tricks, don't forget to subscribe. That's me, your captain, I'm out.